Let's make the super viral swamp potatoes in our crock pot. I guarantee you are going to love this. Let's give it a try. I'm using fresh green beans, add those to the bottom, cut up potatoes, diced onion, diced garlic. Now, seasonings, you can use just salt and pepper, or if you're a little bit extra like myself, you can go for it. Use your favorites. We are going to be using onion soup mix, so that's why if you want to just use salt and pepper, that works fine. If you're extra like myself, go for it. Now let's add in our soup mix, 2 cups of beef broth. I wanted to give mine a nice little mix to meld those flavors together. Then we're going to put in 2 packs of kielbasa cut up, 1 stick of butter, give it a cover, cook it on high for 4 to 5 hours, low 6 to 8, and let me tell you, this one hit the spot. Delicious comfort food. You are going to put this in your rotation, I guarantee.